How to enable lens cleaning hint on iPhone, iOS 26. Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the new lens cleaning hint feature on your iPhone running iOS 26. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. So, have you ever taken a photo with your iPhone and later noticed it looked blurry or foggy? Most of the time, it's not a camera problem at all. It's usually just a smudge, dust, or fingerprints on the camera lens. With iOS 26, Apple added a really helpful feature that can detect when your lens is dirty and remind you to clean it before you take a photo. To enable this, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. From the main settings page, scroll down a bit until you find the camera option, which should be somewhere below the Action button and Apple Intelligence sections. Go ahead and tap on Camera to open all the camera-related settings. Now scroll down toward the bottom of this page until you see an option called Lens Cleaning or Lens Correction. Once you find it, simply turn the switch on to enable the feature. After this is turned on, your iPhone will automatically check the camera lens when you open the camera app. If it detects dust, smudges, or dirt on the lens, it will show you a small pop-up reminder asking you to clean it. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips and iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.